Hey guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to transform your Windows XP into a Mac using these very simple add-ons and applications. Right, so first of all, down in the comments box there should be some links to several applications and their theme, or one or two themes. So use these themes to customize your Windows PC. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to load up this shortcut to Lepoard OS X. That's right there. That's it. Double click. Open that up. Takes a little while to load up. Whilst that's loaded up, can I just tell you that this isn't an actual Mac OS X install. This is just the theme for XP. Right, so as you can see, we've got all your buttons and everything. Right, so let's just go and apply that. Shouldn't take too long. So once it's done that, I'll show you some other stuff. Alright, so there we go. As you can see, you got your red buttons and your red buttons, your close button, your blue button, your question button, and you've also got your minimize button and your maximize button. You minimize, you maximize, minimize, and your close button. Alright, so just close that. Alright, and then I'm going to show you some other stuff. There you go. Your taskbar is now looking like a Mac, and actually it's not meant to be at the bottom, it's meant to be at the top, but Mac users will know that. So there we go, that's now up the top. Just got to move some stuff around first of all. Press OK on there, we go, drag that up the top. There we go, that's up the top. That's beginning to look a bit more like a Mac. Right, so there we go, it's up the top. Right, so there you go, and you also got your black Apple sign. Right, so let's open up this Mac transform folder again, and let's find our next apps to use. Right, so our next apps, normally on a Mac, you will have your Finder bar, which will have your doc settings and everything, your file edit, view, insert options and help buttons and things like that. So instead of having it on your window, you now have it up the top. Or Mac search, that's coming later. That's a bit early. That's coming in later. Right, so let's just wait for this to load. It takes a little while. There you go, Mac search again. Exit that for a minute. There we go. It's coming up now. Just give it a minute. That'll be coming up later. I'll do a thing on that. There we go. There's our Finder bar. As you can see, we've got our Finder button there. It tells us all about our Finder and all our preferences. We can set it all up. There we go. Just that. Right. So now, if you notice, when you click the start bar before, you had all the icons and everything. But now you have about this Mac, your system preferences, your dock, your locations, things like that. Your force quit, your sleep, your restart, your shutdown, and your log out, and things like that. I find Mac OS X Snow Leopard so much neater than Windows XP, and I know several other people do as well, so that's why I thought I'd put this up. Alright, so there we go, there's our help section there. Right, so our next application is going to be, hold on, let's just resize this. There we go. Right, so normally on a Mac the clock is completely different on that. You normally have the date, and then the time in 12 hours clock. There we go, that's what I'm on about. You can go, it's Monday 7 minutes past 5. And this T clock is fully customizable, by the way, guys. You can change your clock text. It's got alarms. You can change your start menu. It's absolutely brilliant. That's why I've included it in the pack. Only the best. So let's just wait for this to like load, and I'll show you. There we go. Change our button text and like size and everything. Right, so the next thing I'm going to show you is, normally on a Mac our buttons are over on the left side, so that's why I included this little app called Left Sider. There we go, and they've gone. Now if we just go over to the next side, and you can see that they're over that side now in reverse order, which just makes things look a lot more neater than the original XP. There we go. This is our Mac search. This is an absolute wonderful piece of like equipment, well, software, should I say. Basically, if you press Control and Space, up comes your Mac search. You type in what you want to search. Press Enter. There we go. Just type that in. Don't type that. Actually, type something else in. There we go. There you go. It says please wait, and it will just scroll. It will search your drives if you have two, and it will tell you what's on there. And it's fully customizable, and you can rescan the discs if you've got an extra disc in there now. Right. So the next thing I'm going to show you are some gadgets, I believe. There we go. About this Mac, normally you'll have your like your Windows thing, but if you want to fool your friends into thinking you have actually got a Mac, then use this one little application. It is absolutely funny. It tells you like your processor and everything, how much RAM you got. Although I'm running a 1.2 Intel Celeron M processor with 494 meg of RAM, sorry. I know it sounds quite a bit, which is quite funny. And the next thing I'll be showing you is a variation on your control panel on Windows. I think this one just looks so much nicer compared to your original Windows control panel. Here we go. That's what it is. It's just so much neater. You've got personal settings, your hardware settings, your net settings, your PC settings, your other settings. It's just so much neater. I hope you guys like understand and agree with me why you think it's so much neater than Windows XP. Right, so there's still a few different things. Normally on a Mac you don't have them icons. Well, you do, but they're different. But normally, you know, you don't only have them. You only have your hard drive apps. Right, so normally, right, go to arrange icons, then click show desktop icons. Make sure it's unticked. So then, as you can see, the icon's gone. It just looks so much neater like this. And you guys probably agree with me. And if you do, I don't blame you. If you don't, you're completely wrong. Normally, you also have a dock down at the bottom, which is fully customizable. There'll be different, different logos, no icons, sorry. And I prefer having the dock than actually having the applications sitting on your desktop, because it's just so much neater. There we go. Your dock is fully customizable up to what you want. I find it is absolutely brilliant for because it also takes your minimized tasks. So if you've got a task open and you minimize it, it's a lot different. Just to let you know, guys, these icons aren't actually floating in midair. There's like different skins you can get for it on www.rocketdock.com. You can get different add-ons for it. You can change the font, you can change the position on the screen, you can make it auto-hide, you can make it sharp when you go down to the bottom of the screen for blah 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 time. Right, let's just set this. There you go. See how much the dock's changed already. That's how the dock's set up. You have your dock clock. Then you can change all your icons. There's a couple of icon packs I know around on Google that you can get just to make it like look a bit nicer. Right, guys, so I hope you've enjoyed watching this tutorial on how to turn your Windows XP into a Mac, and I hope you do it. If you don't, you're silly.